Okay, so we have set up the white label. And in this video, we're going to go over the new customization steps on how to get your Avocado white label turned on in less than an hour. So let's get started. So first things first, every account that is made, you can go and access this admin dashboard. This admin dashboard consists of your white label and your domain and your leads and your sales and everything that makes you money. So to get started, I'm going to go over to website customization. I'll hit start customization. I've already done this, but from this tab over here, I used our IP address to reassign it to this domain. And if we go take a look right now, you'll see that this domain is live and active. We'll go back to our customization, and you guys can edit this directly. It doesn't have to go through this funnel once you do it the first time. And here's just a little guide of what each step does and what you should be doing in that section. So again, there's a button right there, start customization. I've already white labeled it. Now I can go off next. I didn't put my keys in here, but one thing I want to highlight specifically in this video is Stripe, because a lot of you have had this issue. So Stripe in the last month or so has required all users of the API to basically approve, like tell them you're doing everything right, long story short. So we created this form here where you want to fill this out, right? This is going to download as a PDF. So this is called the SAQD. It's a PCI, meaning it's all about compliance, about how money is stored and whatnot. So you have to log into your Stripe account. And we'll just go over real quick. Sign in here because you're going to be able to contact support. And you see you have to sign in. And you want to ask them where you can send the SAQD so that they can approve your API to start collecting payments. So you fill out this info. Very, very straightforward. Now, this needs to be NA because I don't imagine any of you are going to pay a third party to do this for you. So there's a download button. It takes about 30 seconds to actually download. Once that downloads, I'll open it. But we see over here, we have our color scheme. So I'm going to go adjust this a little bit, and not like that. That might be an interesting one. So we go off, click save. And now we see just like that, we changed the entire UI of our white label. So just go off and hit next, and I'll also open this. This is the document that is automatically created for you. So if we scroll down, we'll notice all the information that we entered in on your setup form is now deposited into your form, and all the right things are answered. So you can review this. You should review this. And there's a section 3B that we can't do for you, obviously. You're going to actually have to sign it digitally on Adobe or a lot of different ways to do it. And where is it? Let me just find it real quick. Here. So right here, 3B. Signature, your name, the date, and what you do. Then this is ready to go, and you can follow through the Stripe instructions to get this over to them. Now, let's keep going forward here. So this information right here is for your contact support page. So if we go over to support, we'll see that this is a form submission. So if someone goes here, enters in, my name is Brian, help, and we'll just do data@data.com. and send message, right? So where does this go? Well, it doesn't become a lead in the CRM, but it appears under support requests. So this is like a ticketing system, and then you can have communication back and forth. It's not a chat bot. I don't think those are cool, but if you're actually trying to be practical and get a solution for somebody, basically it's almost like emailing back and forth, but through this way. So we'll go back over to the website customization, and we noticed we were on the homepage customization. And if you notice, if you go, depending on which the info, you'll notice when you're here, you get the display of it. So you know where you're editing. You can upload a little photo. Now this is, I think this is a glitch that I have noted down, that if you've already submitted the photos, it's gonna get a little confused and doesn't let you go to the next page. So you have to complete all of these. And even here you see that it actually was done. Again, just a little glitch that we need to work out. But we've edited all the way to the section 1, which section 1 we can see is I also want to point out one other one. So I've also started doing this one as a test, and I'm going to complete videos on both of these, the building of both of these sites, to make a little video series of how each of these was made. And you end up with the same thing. And if you see this, look how distinctively different this is. Well, that's because we did a bunch of customization, which it's going to be another video. I'll edit that and I'll throw it into its unique playlist on how we go off and we finish the customization. But for now, appreciate it. Need anything, let us know. Comment below, subscribe, and we will be glad to help you.